Hello and welcome to this video of number 34 Foster's Lane here in Woodley. So briefly what we have here is a 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow. It's vacant possession, so no ONWARD chain, and a particular feature is the fact that it's just a short walk from Woodley shopping centre. Let's take you inside and show you around. So we start by going through an entrance porch and then through this door into the entrance hall. Now with here we've got sort of space for storage here, a bit of coat hanging space to the left there, door taking you into the kitchen, which I'll show you in a moment, and then this door into the lounge. So let's start in the lounge, and you'll see immediately we've got a focal point of the fireplace there. That's actually an electric fire, that one that's fitted, but we are told there is a chimney there. Got a front aspect window. The windows are UPVC double glazed sealed units. And we also have gas radiator central heating. I'll show you the boiler in due course. So I'm just going to stand to one side and spin round to give you a full view of this room. And let's now show you the kitchen. So the kitchen is a modern kitchen with white sort of high gloss fronted units. You can see here immediately on my right we've got a built-in double oven and a 4-ringed gas hob just there. Work surfaces with appliance space under. There's the sink unit under the side window. Range of eye level units as well. This door here takes you to the side passageway, giving you access to the rear garden and also to the garage as well. Space in the corner there for a fridge freezer. Okay, so let's now make our way back through the lounge and let's show you the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. So we have a door here from the lounge into like an inner hallway. There's a cupboard on the left hand side there and also one on the right hand side with the brown louver doors. So of the 2 bedrooms, this is the main bedroom. So this is a rear aspect window, of course, and in fact there is actually a door there behind the blinds taking you into the garden. I'm just going to spin round because at this end of the room we've got a built-in double wardrobe with the glass sliding doors, and also I did mention I was going to show you the cupboard with the boiler. That's in the corner here. There's the gas-fired boiler. Glowworm is the make. And just spinning round, and let's now show you the second bedroom, which is the one through here. Again, rear aspect window. Got a radiator just down here to my left, and I'm just going to step into the room. I'm going to spin around slightly because again we have here a built-in double wardrobe with sliding mirror doors. And then finally the bathroom. It's a 3-piece suite there. You can see we've got a shower over the bath. There's the shower just on the left hand side, and cupboard in the corner, and the radiator here down on the right hand side. Okay, so that is the bungalow itself. Let's now make our way. I'm going to go through the kitchen door. We could have gone through the rear door via the bedroom, but this door takes you into the side passageway, which I want to show you. And also the garage, of course. So I'm just going to quickly look left. Bit of sort of utility storage space there. Spinning round. There's the corridor taking you down through into the rear garden. I've opened the door at the end. But on the left hand side here we've got double doors opening into the garage, and also then a single door here. So this is a double length garage. Let me just point to the left. We've got the doors there, and I'm just going to point down to the remainder of the garage. So as you can see, a really long garage, good for car, good for storage, whichever. I'm going to go back through these doors now, and let's make our way into the rear garden. Sun's shining today. It will come into the lens, I'm afraid. Hopefully that's not put too much of a glare on the image you're looking at. So here we have a timber garden shed. We've got a couple of greenhouses, a summer house, and very much laid to a low maintenance design. Let me step over here and just see if I can give you another angle of the garden there. I'm going to wander down. I'll turn around and show you the rear of the bungalow. It's a reasonable sized garden. And then spinning round, there you go, there's the rear of the bungalow. So that just concludes the tour then of number 34 Foster's Lane. If you'd like to have a look inside, please give us a call. Any questions you may have, do ask to speak to myself. My name's Gary. I'm sure I'll be able to help. And thanks for watching.